Hi everyone, in this video I'll be replacing the original gauges on the FX Dreamline Tactical Compact with some gauges from Huma Air. Some people would like to change those gauges because the readings are a bit off, or you would like to have a gauge that has a bit more clear spacings to see to what pressure you fill or adjust your regulators to. It's a very simple procedure and I will walk you through it. Let's go. Now before we start, make sure your gun is unloaded, no pellet in the breech, put it on safe. Then unscrew your air tube. Put it to the side. Now this gauge already reads 0 because there is no pressure, because there is no air tube anymore. To release the air in the regulator chamber, just cock your gun, shoot it once, and it will bleed out. Once you see both regulators are reading 0, take your 22mm spanner, and I think you can almost even do it by hand. Take your first gauge out. Take your new Huma gauge. Thread it in. Take the second one out. Those are your two gauges. If you want, you can buy this as an extra from the Huma Air website. It's a cover, I think it calls a pressure gauge cover that just slides over it like this, so you have it matching the gun, nice and black, not this shiny chrome. Then you take your air tube, thread it back on, so as you could see, that's how simple it is to replace your original gauges to the Huma Air ones. Very simple, very straightforward, nothing difficult. And as you can see, now you can enjoy your new gauges from Huma Air. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.